All right, so let's look at our first isometric task. We're going to draw our staircase. Our staircase is built from blocks. So I'm using my isometric paper, and I'll show you quickly on some other paper as well. So we're going to look at blocks. So I've drawn my first block there. So I'm going to build using blocks. So I'm going to make my staircase. Let's say I'm going to make it 3 blocks big. Now I'm drawing these nice and big so that's easier for you to see. You can draw them smaller if you wish. Okay, so that's my first block. Now we're going to make a staircase. So my next staircase is going to go up by 2 blocks. So up. So you can see each of these here is a block. Okay, and another block, and another block. So can we see our staircase starting to form there? I'll outline that so you can see it happening on our edges. So that's our first step. Our second step. Now we'll go up a third step, shall we? So my next block along, so we move along 1 block this way. And this is my third step, so I'm going to go up 3 blocks. Okay, using the isometric paper really helps guide you. So hopefully you've all managed to print some isometric paper out like I asked. Okay, and then if we wanted to do a 4th one, we go up 4. We have our set of stairs. So let's just outline those. And up we go. I have my stairs. Easy. Now, as I said, it's quite easy with my isometric paper. Oops, missed a line. Done. All right, so if you don't have isometric paper, you might have some lined paper. So I have some lined paper. I'm going to draw my first block using, we'll make it a square, that'll be easier. Okay. So we can just use normal lined paper to draw a block. Now if I wanted to do it the same, go 3 blocks. So I draw my lines, 3 blocks, go up, keeping all these angles the same. Now I'm doing it without a ruler. A ruler would make it neater, but there we go. So there's my first block. So if I was going to go, remember that's the first block, so if I want to go 2 steps up, this time you go 2 steps up, and we keep all these angles the same. And then these angles, the same. Oops. So again, it's relatively easy doing it lined paper. I'm sure you've all got some lined paper at home. Keep those angles the same. There we have our stairs. So if I outline, done, using blind paper.